Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best gift ideas is probably one of the most exciting things to explore. Finding the perfect gift can be a delightful journey, but it can also be a bit overwhelming with so many options available. In this video, we'll dive into some fantastic gift ideas, exploring what makes them special and why they might be the perfect choice for your loved ones. Get ready to discover some amazing gift ideas. Number 5. Toddler Wooden Racetrack Car Ramp Racer. This toddler ramp racetrack toy is made of high-quality wood and non-toxic paint, ensuring safety for your child. It meets the highest toy safety standards. You don't have to worry about small parts or harmful materials. The set features a unique top parking lot where the cars start their race down the rainbow track. This design enhances visual tracking skills and provides a fun racing experience. Kids can easily collect the cars, promoting a sense of order. This compact and sturdy toy is the perfect gift for 1- and 2-year-old boys and girls. It comes in a colorful box and is easy to set up, with only the top parking lot needing attachment. It's great for indoor and outdoor play. The racetrack encourages hand-eye coordination and attention span. It also promotes cooperation and communication skills as children take turns. It's a great way for young children to learn dexterity and repetition. This wooden car ramp toy is specifically designed for kids aged 1 and 2. The track's width is designed for one car at a time, making it a safe and engaging toy. Your satisfaction and your child's safety are our top priorities. What we like. This wooden racetrack toy is made of high-quality materials, ensuring safety and durability. It encourages hand-eye coordination and provides hours of fun. If you are looking for a gift that combines fun and learning for your toddler, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The features are useful and easy to use. The product is made of high-quality materials. Number 4. Nicmore Carrier Truck 5-in-1 Toddler Playset. Introducing the Nicmore Carrier Truck Playset. It includes a large carrier truck and 4 smaller vehicles. This set is perfect for sparking imagination and fun. This toy set is designed for little hands. It helps improve hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. It's a great way for kids to learn and bond with parents. The carrier truck holds all the smaller cars, making it easy to carry around. It's ideal for trips and outdoor play. This makes it a great toy for toddlers on the go. Made from child-friendly materials, this toy is safe for toddlers. The smooth edges and durable design ensure hours of safe, interactive fun. You can rest easy knowing it's safe. Looking for a great gift? This Nicmore carrier truck set is perfect for birthdays or Christmas. It's a wonderful present for any toddler, bringing hours of entertainment. What we like. This 5-in-1 car playset is designed to spark creativity and develop fine motor skills. The carrier truck makes it easy to store and transport. If you have a toddler who loves cars and enjoys imaginative play, this set will be a hit. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The features are useful and easy to use. Number 3. MODENGKONJIAN Mini Jewelry Travel Case, Blue. This jewelry case is made with durable PU synthetic leather on the outside. Inside, it's lined with soft flannel to protect your jewelry from scratches and damage. It's designed to last. The case is small and lightweight, perfect for travel. It easily fits in your handbag or luggage, keeping all your jewelry organized and secure wherever you go. It's very convenient. The zipper closure ensures the case stays closed during travel. It also includes removable dividers, allowing you to customize the space to fit your needs. You can easily access your favorite pieces. This organizer is perfect for storing earrings, necklaces, rings, and other small accessories. It keeps everything neat and tidy, making it easy to find what you need. It's a great way to keep your jewelry organized. This mini jewelry box makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. Its simple and elegant design makes it perfect for women and girls. It's a thoughtful present for someone special. What we like. This mini jewelry travel case is compact and easy to carry, perfect for travel. It protects your jewelry from scratches and keeps everything organized. If you are looking for a stylish and practical gift for someone who loves jewelry, this is a great option. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The features are useful and easy to use. Number 2. Wet n Wild Silk Finish Lipstick, Cherry Frost. Introducing the new and improved Wet n Wild Silk Finish Lipstick in Cherry Frost. This lipstick offers a rich, buildable color that feels like silk on your lips. It's the perfect way to add a touch of color and hydration to your look. This lipstick is formulated with vitamins A, E, and macadamia for ultimate hydration. The creamy formula glides on smoothly, providing a beautiful and long-lasting color. You'll love how it feels and looks. The color is buildable, allowing you to customize your look from a subtle hint of color to a more vibrant statement. It's easy to apply and perfect for any occasion. Wet n Wild is 100% cruelty-free and always has been. This lipstick is also vegan, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your lips. It's a guilt-free way to enhance your natural beauty. Experience the new and improved formula and packaging of this amazing lipstick. The new design is sleek and stylish, making it a must-have for your makeup collection. Get yours today. What we like. This lipstick offers a rich, buildable color that feels like silk on the lips. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, so you can feel good about what you're wearing. If you like a hydrating lipstick with a bold pop of color, you should consider this. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The features are useful and easy to use. Number 1. Wet n Wild Silk Finish Lipstick, just Garnet. This lipstick is designed to keep your lips feeling smooth and hydrated. It's formulated with vitamins and macadamia nut oil. This allows you to build the color to your desired look. The lipstick is packed with beneficial ingredients. Vitamins A and E, along with aloe vera, are included. These ingredients help to keep your lips feeling healthy. Get ready for long-lasting, bold color. The product is designed to give you the perfect pout. You can use it alone or layer it with other lip products. Wet n Wild offers a wide range of products. From bronzer to concealer, it has everything you need. You'll be photo-ready for any occasion. Wet n Wild is committed to being cruelty-free. They also offer a variety of vegan makeup options. You can find everything from foundation to makeup brushes. Wet n Wild is a trusted brand for everyone. It caters to beauty lovers of all backgrounds. No matter who you are, there's a product for you. What we like. This lipstick is formulated with vitamins and botanicals, offering long-lasting bold color while keeping your lips hydrated. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, aligning with ethical beauty standards. If you are looking for a lipstick that combines vibrant color with lip care, this is a great choice. What people say. It goes on smoothly, vivid color, and does not bleed onto your teeth. If you know, you know. The lipsticks stay on for several hours with a shine that stays put too. It glides on incredibly smoothly, which I wasn't expecting at all for a lipstick at this price point. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.